Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So guys, in this video I will show with you how you can activate Tello eSIM. So guys, as you can see here, I'm an official website or on Tello. So before ordering in this SIM, please guys check if your device is compatible, and if the answer yes, guys go ahead and place the order and log into your account and my SIM section. So and scan the QR code and with your phone camera. After you scan the QR code on your phone camera, and don't worry guys, the link you will leave in the description. So when you connect it to Wi-Fi network and to complete the SIM activation, please not the one your start activation process, your service will be temporarily inactive. And don't worry guys, the service will resume the SIM active on your device. You want to active your SIM from outside the US, please guys, first you need just set up your Wi-Fi calling and your account on your phone. So when you stop your Wi-Fi guys, calling these steps available, and I hope this video helpful. See you on another video soon.